In just a few days, Samsung is ready to present us with the all-new Galaxy S24 series, and it seems someone has already unboxed the Galaxy S24 Ultra. A Twitter user, Huzaimi Jr., shared 2 pictures of the phone and its box on his Twitter account. The latest images reveal the phone in a gold color, showcasing a new titanium frame that is both strong and lightweight, similar to Apple's top-of-the-line phones. Notably, the S24 Ultra is transitioning from Samsung's usual curved screen to a completely flat one this year. The pictures also show the closed and open box, although the contents inside remain unseen. The physical feel of the S24 Ultra has been proclaimed as extremely polished and premium by those lucky enough to get an early hands-on experience. Following Google's lead, Samsung may adopt a strategy to offer an impressive 7 years of major OS updates for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. To put things in perspective, Samsung currently offers 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates. Leaked sources claim that the 5x zoom on the S24 Ultra surpasses the capabilities of its predecessor, thanks to the combination of larger sensor size and a substantial increase in megapixels. AI enhancements are expected to elevate low-light zoom performance to a whole new level. An important addition to the S24 series is the introduction of a super ultra-bright display boasting 2600 nits of brightness. This upgrade, available across all S24 models, promises a more comfortable outdoor visibility experience, especially under direct sunlight. To enhance the overall user experience, the S24 series is expected to feature displays with a 12% faster response compared to the S23 series. This improvement is sure to make daily applications feel incredibly fast, ensuring a seamless user experience from the moment of launch. As the official reveal approaches, expectations are at an all-time high. Subscribe now to Felix Technophile to catch all the latest updates. Until then, peace out.